In today's video, I am going to teach you how to activate Klaviyo pop-ups on Shopify. We will start inside your Klaviyo account, where the pop-up itself is managed. Once you are logged into the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Sign Up Forms. This is where Klaviyo stores your pop-ups, flyouts, and other form types. From here, select the specific form you want to activate on your Shopify store. After opening the form, go to the Targeting and Behavior tab on the left panel. This area controls when and how your form appears to visitors. Under Display Timing, choose the trigger rules you want to use. For example, this is where you decide when the pop-up should show based on visitor behavior. Make sure the settings match the experience you want for your store, since this affects both visibility and timing. Next, confirm that the form type is set to pop-up or flyout. This is important because only the correct on-site form type will display the way you expect on your storefront. Once everything looks right, click Publish in the top right corner. Publishing saves your setup in Klaviyo and makes the form ready to be used on your site. Now switch over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This second part is important because publishing the form in Klaviyo does not always mean it is automatically enabled inside your Shopify theme. In Shopify, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your active theme and click the Customize button next to it. This opens the theme editor, where you can manage integrated app features. Inside the theme editor, look at the far left vertical sidebar and click the App Embeds icon. This section lets you turn store apps on or off within your theme. Find Klaviyo, which may also appear as Klaviyo On-Site, and toggle the switch to On. This step allows your published Klaviyo pop-up or flyout to actually load on your storefront. Once the toggle is turned on, click Save in the top right corner. That final save confirms the app embed is active in your theme. At this point, your Klaviyo pop-up should be activated on Shopify. If it does not appear right away, give it a moment and review your display timing rules in Klaviyo, since those settings determine when visitors will see it. That covers everything you need to know.